Most people think, I've got a will, I'm good, or I did a trust a few years ago, so I'm covered. But here's the hard truth. An estate plan is only as strong as the way it's maintained, communicated, and executed. So it's kind of like a car. If you don't do maintenance on it, it's gonna break down. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure that your estate plan actually works so that when your family needs it, it's clear, current, and stress-free. I'm estate planning attorney Mike Smith with Smith Barid LLC, and I'm one half of the estate planning guys. So let's talk about turning a good plan into one that truly delivers when it matters most. So the first thing I want to say to you is review your plan regularly. Your life changes, your family changes, the law changes. So it's important that you review your plan regularly with your estate planning attorney to take into account any of these changes in your life. That's why we've recommended reviewing your estate plan every 3 to 5 years or after any major life event like a birth, a marriage, a divorce, a move, because what worked 5 years ago may not reflect what your wishes are today. So let me ask you a question. When was the last time you actually looked at your documents? I know it's boring, but it's important. Just like doing your taxes, right? The second thing is check your asset titling and beneficiaries. And this is a big one that often gets missed. Let's say that you created a trust, but your bank accounts, your house, your retirement funds, they aren't titled correctly. Well, that's going to mean that if something happens to you and you pass away or you become incapacitated, that trust you've got won't do what it was designed to do. So make sure that your accounts are titled in the name of your trust when that's appropriate, that your beneficiary designations match up with your overall estate plan, and there's no conflict between what's in your plan and how your assets are owned. This step will turn your plan from simply paperwork into an actionable strategy. Number 3, communicate with the right people. Your plan shouldn't be secret. The people that you've named as executor, trustee, power of attorney, or healthcare proxy, they need to know what you're expecting of them. And the only way they're going to know that is if you communicate with them. So talk with them now while you're here and answer any questions they have. Let them know where your documents are and explain what your intentions are. These conversations create clarity and prevent future conflict. Now, if this has already given you some ideas, hit that like button because it helps us reach more people who care about getting their estate plans right. The fourth thing, organize everything in one place. Even the best plan is not going to work if no one can find it. So put all of your important documents together. Your will or trust, your power of attorney, your healthcare directives, any asset lists and login information for all of your digital assets, contact details for your attorney, your financial advisor, your bank. And then you're going to want to store all this stuff in a fireproof safe maybe, or a safe deposit box, or secure digital vault for your digital assets. And make sure that at least one trusted person knows how to access all this stuff. You might want more than that, but at least one. Number 5, keep your professionals in the loop. You don't have to do this alone. Work with your estate planning attorney, your CPA, your financial advisor, and make sure that everything's aligned. I can't tell you how many times I've seen an estate plan derailed because the financial advisor or the CPA wasn't on the same page with the estate planning attorney. So it's super important. If you update your trust, make sure your financial institution knows about that. If you move states, check with an attorney in that state. Make sure that your plan will comply with whatever the laws are in that state. You know, spending a 30-minute review with your professional team every couple of years can save your family months of stress and confusion down the road. Now, to help you get started on this, we've created a free checklist that will take you through where you are and where the gaps might be. You can find that on our resources page. There's a link in the description below that will take you to that resources page where you can download that and other free resources that we have. And that'll walk you through what steps you might need to take to update your plan and make sure that everything works the way it's supposed to if something happens to you. So let's recap what makes a plan actually work. Review it regularly, title your assets correctly, communicate with the people involved, have a conversation, keep everything organized, and work with professionals. Estate planning, unfortunately, is not a one and done thing. It's about building a plan that grows with you and protects what matters most to you. If you want to keep learning, Watch our next video where we walk through real mistakes that people make that cost their families time and money so that you can avoid them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our resources page for tools and templates to help your plan succeed.